Hello and welcome to Classic Cars of Sarasota. Today we're going to be looking at this 1970 Chevelle SS 396 turbojet 350 horse L34 complete frame off restoration, about 643 miles since the restoration. We'll show you a cold start. We'll go and look at the interior, also look underneath, but just wanted to show you the paint. This shows very, very well. No flaws in the paint. The black vinyl top is in great condition, obviously coming from the restoration, but just chrome shines very well. And again, the paint is in great shape. This was very well done. This was not one of our restorations, but one that is very nice and very well done on this 1970 Chevelle SS 396. As we go underneath it, you'll see the disc brakes, see the markings, all the proper markings that you expect to see. Again, disc brakes in the front. This 396, excuse me, is married to a Muncie 4-speed transmission. As we go back here, you can see the floor pans are in great shape. No rust on this car, as you would anticipate and expect on a car that just come through a full frame off restoration. But the floor pans, as I mentioned, are in fabulous condition. Frame rails are straight. You can see the dual exhaust. Again, very, very clean car. But underneath shows just as nice as the Astro blue up top. And as we get to the rear, you can see the brakes, the markings, again, as I mentioned, that you would expect to see on a car of this nature. Again, dual exhaust, new gas tank, and the rubber inlet that you find on 1970 Chevelle SS's. Again, a very well done restoration. Astro blue, as I mentioned, shows very well. We'll go ahead and let this down and do a cold start for you, show you the interior. The black interior is in great shape. No tears, no rips once we get in there. Bear with me as we let the lift down. Let the safety off, so hold on just a second as I put the camera down. Apologize for the video in advance. Apologize for that. Again, if you are interested in this vehicle, we can be contacted at 941-355-1955, or feel free to call or email, visit our website, classiccarsofsarasota.com. And again, we are located on 301 in Sarasota, Florida. Again, apologize for the video as we lower the vehicle down. Go to our website. We do have financing, and we offer worldwide shipping, door to door. And again, apologize for the video as we lower it down, but you can see It's a little dark. Try to back up, get the light in there. But the engine bay is just as nice as the Astro blue paint, and the underneath as I mentioned, 396 turbojet, 350 horse. This car does have power brakes, factory AC, and power steering. You don't always see that. Again, power brakes, power steering, and factory AC certainly adds a lot to this restoration. Go ahead and open up the door and look inside. Again, door panels are very good condition. Seats are very good condition. And we'll go ahead and get in and start this up. Let's grab the keys here. Make sure we're in neutral. Again, at idle, it sounds fantastic. As I mentioned earlier, 649 miles since the restoration. You can see the tach, the temperature. Sorry, it's a little dark to see. There you go, that's a little bit better. The clock is even working. Sounds very nice. You can hear the exhaust. Take you up and hear the engine. Engine sounds great. No knocks, no ticking. Again, if you have an interest in this 1970 Chevelle SS, please give us a call, 941-355-1955. Or if you have any interest in any other of the vehicles we have, as right now we have about 86 in inventory. Few Camaros, Z28s, and obviously our C2 Corvettes, 68, 427 Corvette. Thank you very much.